Here we go. We're on Frida's second try here.
Going for the head.
Going for the head.
Man, fuck that shit.
You went out on her. Okay, look here.
That girl telling me I've been too happy.
Okay.
That's shame you teach me about this.
It's really sad when I just had to end up fixing the gun for Frida, and here I am on day one. Both hands, Frida.
Fuck your shit.